Hi you guys, welcome back to the channel, Our Relaxing Life. Today we are at Bok Tower and we are right behind some bamboo and we are gonna get started on our yoga today, doing it outside. And this yoga practice this month is all about self-care. Why is it important to take care of yourself before you take care of others? All right, so we're gonna get in the seated position. You're gonna sit and you're just gonna close your eyes. You can close your eyes and breathe in, out, breathe. All right, one more time. Breathe in and out. Breathe in. Breathe in and out. All right, next we're gonna get into seated forward fold relaxers. So we're gonna turn. You can turn either way. Have your legs out. And you're going to reach. Now, if you want, you can put your yoga blocks underneath your bum to get you higher so you can reach more, or you can just bend your knees. You're gonna go like this. And you're gonna breathe for 3. 1, breathe in. And then you're gonna count for 3 and let out. Let out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in. And out. Now we're going to put your legs up, down, out, and then you're going to have your arms out. And you're going to hug yourself, give yourself a bear hug. And you're going to say, I love myself. I love myself. As the sun is shining on your face and you're breathing in that wonderful air. All right. Next, we're gonna lay down and we're gonna do fish pose. So you're gonna put your feet together and then you're gonna have your arms out and put your hands together over top of your head. Oh. And then you're gonna breathe in, out. And then you put your hands together and then move your praying hands across your face slowly. Breathe in and breathe out. Breathe in and out. All right. Now we're just gonna lay here and your hands are by your side. Breathe in and out. And fish pose is a really good pose to straightening out your back and aligning your spine. We're always on our phones texting or hunched over doing something. This is a great straightening out your back pose. So next we're going to bend our knees, put them together, and then have our legs out. And then we're gonna twist our bodies. So we're gonna put our right leg over our left leg. So it's gonna be like this. You're gonna twist. This is a laying down twist. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Now we're gonna do the other side. So move back and then take your left. And then we're going to twist again. Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. And out. So next what we're gonna do is we're gonna do a wind relieving pose, or we are going to hug our knees. So we're gonna get into like a ball type of position, but our backs are on the ground. And you're gonna still have that center. So grab your knees, pull your legs back, do one at a time, take your time. Yoga is no judgment. Breathe in, breathe out, breathe in, and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Now we're gonna slowly get up, put your feet down on the earth, lift up. All right, now what we're basically going to do is we're gonna twist our leg. We have our left leg down and we're gonna do twist again, but sitting up. So like this, have your hands back to straighten out your back. And then if you wanna twist even more, you can twist your head this way. Pretend that you're picturing something beautiful like flowers or somebody that you want to see. And smile. Breathe in, breathe out. Now we're gonna twist onto the other side. Gonna look at the bamboo. Breathe in and out. All right. So now we're gonna come into seated position. All right. Thank you for watching. If you like this shirt, this is from Sick Discomfort. I will put a link down below of their store and their YouTube channel. They have a really cool YouTube channel. You can check them out. No, they're not sponsoring this video. I just really like their shirt and their messaging. All right, and check back with us next week for another video at a new location. Bye for now.